all are doing well, and those who are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarbani and thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. So in today's video I created this makeup look right here, which you can see my face. I loved it. I just absolutely loved the way it turned out. This is my first makeup tutorial on my channel and I exactly wanted this makeup look on my channel first. This is very affordable, easy, simple yet glam. I just love. Okay, I am very excited. So, and all the products I use in this video all under ₹500. Yes, and don't worry about that, about the price. All are under ₹500 and you can see the look is so glam. I loved it. You can wear it on with western outfit, you can wear it with Indian outfit, you can wear this makeup look with any outfit. I wear this makeup look with kurta and silver chumka and it looks perfect. You can change up your lips according to your choice. So yeah, that's all for the intro. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. So starting off with moisturizer. Today I'm going to use Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. I have been raving about this moisturizer. I absolutely love this one. This is very light gel in texture. I loved it. So I'm just using all over my face. For foundation I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 310. I just love this foundation and I need to get another one because I already completely ran out of this. So just blending and blending, yes. And for my concealer I am going to use Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. This is in the shade I feel medium and I'm just applying those areas where I want to conceal: my under eye area, bridge of the nose and little bit of my forehead. So I used very little amount of concealer, not too much. So I'm just blending with the same sponge. This is by the way from Pack sponge, and you need good sponge to blend your all the foundation and concealer. Blending is the key to get flawless base, flawless makeup. So you need good makeup sponge or beauty blender or brush. I love sponge to blend out all my concealer and foundation. So I'm just blending to set all of those foundation and concealer. I use Rimmel Stay Matte Compact Powder, pressed powder. I have been loving this powder for years now and I just absolutely loved it. And for my brows I use Miss Claire Eyebrow Kick, and if you have this one you don't need any other brow product in your life. I loved it, and all the product or whatever product I used in this video are all under 500 rupees. So this is very affordable also, and this is very simple makeup look. And this is the palette from Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Rose in the Air. I used the dark brown shade, chocolate kind of a shade, to my close to my upper lash line. And now I'm blending with this brown shade. This is very soft brown compared to the first shade. So I'm just diffusing the edges. I'm just blending. This is very simple and sophisticated look. This is brown smoky look. You just need to blend. You just need to have patience to blend. This is just blending. And here I'm using this transition shade to blend all of the edges. This eyeshadow look need just blending. Whatever brown black shadow you have, you can create this kind of makeup look. And yeah, this is it. This is this is just simple makeup look, and I'm just using the same dark brown shade to my lower lash line. I'm just going to blend with the transition shade. That's all. Here I am using Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I loved it, and the lashes I am using is from Nykaa, the style OG, and the lash glue is from Pack Lash Fixer. And here I am wearing my silver earrings, and I use the same transition shade, same brown kind of a shade from the palette to contour or bronzing up my face. So you don't need another bronzing or contour powder. This shadow work perfectly on your skin, you can see. And for my blush, I use Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is in the shade I Feel Rose. I will leave all the details in the info bar, so don't forget to check that out. I'm just using blush, and blush makes me so happy. And also I love to apply blush on my nose, the rosy nose. And highlighter I am using Wet n Wild. This is in the shade, I think, Precious Petal. Yes, Precious Petal, and one of my favorite highlighter, and I just used all of the usual area of highlighter, and also inner corner. And for lipstick, this is Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade pink, nude pink. And yeah, that's the final and finish look. That's all for today's video. I really hope that you all enjoy. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the little bell icon. Please do that. I really need your support, guys, so that you can get notified every single time I upload. And please share with your friends if you liked it. Please, if you liked it, press the thumbs up button, and also comment down below whatever you think of this look and whatever video recommendation you have. I will love to do that for you guys. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and so we can chat over there. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.